Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make cantaloupe smoothie. Okay, I already have my cantaloupe cut because on the last video I already showed how to cut the cantaloupe and the honeydew. So now we're gonna get started. Still be in the summer and the cantaloupe season. That's why I really want to show you how to make a refreshing and delicious cantaloupe smoothie. Okay, first I will add the 2 cups of the cantaloupe, and I use the unsweetened coconut milk. I will use 3/4 cup the coconut milk. Go in. Okay, and next I have the sweet condensed milk. I use the 1/2 cup the sweet condensed milk. Sweet, creamy. If you love the smoothie, this coconut smoothie, the condensed milk go really good with this coconut flavor. Okay, and next I'm gonna add a little bit of ice. And also it will be perfect if you cantaloupe it frozen or really close, really eye close. If you love the melon, you will love this smoothie. Okay. Now just gonna turn on and let it go. Okay, that's it. Now we're done. Look at this color. It's really creamy. I just gonna give this a quick taste. Look at this smoothie. Wow. Very nice flavors. Very smell very good, and the creamy from the coconut and the condensed milk. Look at this cantaloupe smoothie. Wow. Nice, perfect. Now I'm ready to drink it whole cup of this cantaloupe smoothie. And now here we done our cantaloupe smoothie. I'm ready to drink it all this cup. Wow, refreshing, and I really love how this melon smell. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.